Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we are going to see structure parts of Lego we do. Structure parts of Lego we do, it will be all the parts of Lego we do which come in the same box of Lego we do. So let's start. So in these structure parts, we are going to see the name of each part and their color. As you can see in the drawing which is in front of us, we are going to see these parts, it is their name and their color. So let's start. For those who are new, please subscribe to my channel and share this video for the new. For those who doesn't know, those parts exist in their name. So we start from this one. It is called angular plate and it have the white color. This is the part which you can find in the box and come as two pieces. The next one, it is loaf bricks. Their color is gray. It comes 4 pieces in a box of Lego we do. The next one, it is called tile. Tile is azure blue and it comes 2 pieces in a box of Lego we do. The next one, it is called roof bricks, green, lime green. It comes 4 pieces in a box of Lego we do. The next one, it is called carved bricks. Carved bricks with the green color. It comes as 2 pieces in a box of Lego we do. The next one, it is called loaf bricks. Loaf brick, it is this one. It comes bright orange. In the box, you can find inside 4 pieces. The next one, you're going to see the next line. Next line, it is white plate. White plate, 6. This white plate, it comes as 6 pieces in the box of Lego we do. The next one, it is flame plate. Flame plate, which is this one, it comes in the box as 2 pieces. Those are the pieces you can find in the box of Lego we do. The next one, it is bricks. Bricks, which have bricks which is 2 times 1 times 2. Azure blue, it comes as 6 pieces in a box. This is their image pictures. The next one, it is this one, inverted loaf bricks, which is 1 times 3 with 25 angles, 25-degree as angles. This is the piece. It comes with the green color, lime green color, and 4 pieces. Those are 4 pieces which you can find in the box. The next one, it is this one. It is called carved bricks, 1 times 6. It comes with the color which is lime green and comes with 4 pieces in the box of Lego we do. The next one, it is this one. It is called inverted loaf bricks, which is 1 times 2 with 45 angles. This is the 45 angles you can find. It comes with the color which is bright orange. This is the color of this bricks. The next one, it is this one. The next one, it is called. Next one, it is this one. The plate, which is 1 times 4 with white color, and it comes 4 pieces in a box of Lego we do. This is the color which is, this plate have the color which is 1, white. The next one, it is this tile, which is 1 times 8. 1 times 8 with the color which is gray. They come as 4 pieces in the box of Lego we do. You can find only 4 pieces. The next one, it is bricks, 2 times 2, azure blue. Those bricks, they come as 2 in the box of Lego we do. The next one, it is plate, which is 4 times 6 over 4. It comes with the color which is lime green, and it comes 4 pieces in the box. Those are the quantity which come in the box, and this is the name of the plate, which you can see here. The next one, it is this one. It is called angular beam, which is 3 times 5 module, and they come with the color which is green. The number of the pieces which come from the box, there are 2. This is the number of the pieces which come in the box of Lego we do. The next one, it is roof bricks, which is 1 times 3 with the over 25 degree. This is the angular or the angle of these bricks, and come with the color which is bright orange. This is the color of this piece, and come 4 pieces in the box of Lego we do. The next step we are going to see is this one. I'm going to go to the next line, which is this one. We are going to see the plate, which is 1 times 6 with the color which is white. This is the name, and this is the color of that plate, and this is the quantity which comes from one box. So, and this is the piece. As we are talking, it is the plate which is 1 times 6 with white color. The next one is this one with the name which is plate 1 times 12 with the color which is white, and it comes as 2 pieces in the box. The next one, it is this one. It is called bricks 2 times 2, but the color it is bright black. This is the color of this piece, and it comes as 4 pieces in a box of Lego we do. So the next one, it is this one. It is called bricks 2 times 4. 2 times 4, it is this one. Those are the 2 line and 2 low and 4 low. Okay, the name it is azure blue, and it comes as 2 pieces in the box, one box of Lego we do. The next one, it is called structured beam. Structured beam 1 times 4, and it comes as lime green, and comes as 4 pieces in one box. The next one, it is called beam modular 7 modulars, and the color it is green. This is the green color of this piece, and it comes as 2 pieces in one box of Lego we do. The next one, it is this one. The next one is this one. It is bricks 2 times 4, and it comes as with the color which is bright orange, and in the one box we have 4 pieces. Those are the pieces you can find in one box. The next one is this one. We're going to call it. It is called plate with holes. Plate with holes 2 times 4, and it comes with the color which is bright orange. In one box of Lego we do have 4 pieces. The next thing, it is plate with holes, which is orange. This one, and it comes with the orange color, as you can see, and it comes 4 pieces in one box. The next one, it is plate with holes 2 times 8 with the color which is bright green. It comes 2 pieces in one box. The next one, it is this one. It is called structured beam 1 times 8. This one. It comes with the color which is green, which is this one. It comes 2 pieces in 1 box. The next one, it is this one. Curved plate 1 times 4 times 2 over 3, which comes with the color which is blue. It comes 2 pieces in 1 box of Lego wood. The next one, it is bottom for turntable 4 times 4, which have the black as color. It comes 1 piece in a box. The next one, it is beam white plate 2 modulars with the color which is black, and it comes as 4 pieces in 1 box. The next one, it is loaf bricks 1 times 2 with 45 deep brick with the color which is black. It comes as 2 pieces in the box of Lego. The next one is white plate, black plate which is black 2 times 16. It comes as black color, as I say. It comes 2 pieces in 1 box of Lego. The next one, it is this one, round plate 4 times 4. It comes as blue color. It comes 2 pieces in 1 box. The next one is called carved bricks 1 times 6, which is this one. And the color is transparent, light blue. This is the color which is transparent and light blue. It comes 2 pieces in 1 box. The next one is this one. It is structured beam 1 times 16 with the color which is lim white, and comes as 2 pieces in 1 box. So those are the structure parts of Lego we do. So thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and comment and share.